Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect classic margarita like a pro. The classic margarita is beautifully concocted with tequila, orange liqueur, and citrus juice. I hope you will like this amazing recipe. So let's go and jump in. Today we are going to make a classic margarita, so we will start by rimming the glass with salt. Take a margarita glass of about 10 ounces or 300 milliliters. And softly press it on the sponge, so that lemon juice can spread evenly on the edge of the glass. Now carefully press it on the salt, so that salt can stick with the lemon juice. Give a few little jerks to remove loose salts, and the glass is now perfectly rimmed. Now keep the glass aside, and jump into the mixology. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. We will start by pouring 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of tequila. After the tequila, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of Cointreau, and if you don't have Cointreau, simply use any orange liqueur that you have. After pouring alcohol, add 1 tablespoon of bar sugar. If you don't have a bar sugar, simply use powdered sugar. After adding sugar, squeeze 2 medium-sized lemons or pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to contact me. I will be very happy to hear from you. Now I will show you how to get the perfect consistency in a frozen margarita. So take an empty margarita glass, and fill with lots of crushed ice. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now empty the glass into the blender, and blend for a few minutes to get perfect consistency. Use this bartender's secret trick to get perfect consistency, but remember the total liquid you are pouring should be half of the capacity of the glass. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now the cocktail has been perfectly blended, so very carefully pour the frozen cocktail into the glass. I will be extremely happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Perfect. Garnish it with a slice of fresh lemon, and the classic frozen margarita is now ready for you. Cheers! Have a great weekend! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching, and drink responsibly.